Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We back with another one, Mafetu. Ghost, I can hear you, Chief. Are you here?
Back with another one.
Yes, level, Ghost. Spoil Mapagania, back with another one, Mafetu. Peta Machimbo's studio. Before we do our introduction, Mapagania, you know the trail, Mafetu. Let's subscribe to the channel. Help the channel get to 5,000 subscribers before the season ends. Peta Machimbo's studio, Mr. Mlambo Mnandi.
I am Nandi Dang. It's very dark in here, as they can see.
Yeah.
Indlamapagania le asimnandi mfethu. We've missed them so much.
Wakhumbulile Mapagania ne coast umnandi ndana.
Hayi mfethu simnandi Pagania. Yeah, we are good. We are good.
Yeah, good ne.
Yeah.
Apologies Mapagania too because the podcast le namhlanje like it's delayed a bit. We had still ama renovation Mapagania studio. We are cooking something. This is actually studio. Obviously we played against Kaizer Chiefs, but before we get to our analysis of game, Amachimbo, so Mr. Mlambo, no goes to, they went to Protea Hotel Semi-Trend. Obviously they want to tell us about the experience. I was at the FNP Stadium, Mapagania. You saw me. Mr. Mlambo was telling our experience as Protea.
Great experience Ntanga, and what was nice ngindlela abaswelcoming ngayo Ntanga. Yo, it was so marvelous. Nokuhlangana nama legends la mfethu. We are the voice of the Paganias. Phela masikhuluma nama legends mfethu yangithola sisondeza iPagania close.
Yeah.
Which is that's our main aim yangithola. For me, it was nice mfethu. Ngathi ngabuyela nakusasa the game elinye elizayo. I even told Ghost ukuthi I mean mfethu, if like we have to go to a Protea hotel like nelinye game stadium, I mean I'll stick that side.
Amaplata, amapia, ekuphethe
Mnandi Ntanga. Futhi leyo Ntanga cherry on top mfethu yangithola. Like the vibe mfethu, the environment for me it was superb.
Yeah. Ghost.
And I think we begin umlambo mfethu. The vibes were top notch. The food mfethu very tasty. The drinks were cold. Everything was on spot mfethu. Yeah, it was overall a great experience, and the staff there mfethu very lovely. Can tell mfethu you are at a different place when you are there mfethu. The reception was amazing mfethu. They welcomed us so nice. They gave us the space mfethu to do our thing. Meeting the legends as well, you know, another great experience, you know, Bra James Mutibi, Yashisa Mate, Pashin, they were home, yeah, no,
With the legends, rolling with the legends.
Even the Kaizer Chiefs legend.
Yeah.
It's on first name basis, now my legend. Mabiza ngegama. Yeah. So yeah, it was a beautiful one, but yeah, I did miss the stadium a bit, but the vibes were nice.
The vibes are nice, ne?
Yeah.
And I mean, fun. I even saw the video that production posted. Even before the one just outside parking, you know. That place in fun, it looks clean. In fun, it's clean. Everything in fit well put. Young dog.
Yeah.
So you can see what it down fit. I more ya vele meruve umuntu ngathi vele uthembi. So that was my highlight. You know, I also saw what professionalism. I saw even when you guys shot. Ngiyabona ukuthi it looks like space nyane ngathi sivalekile, there's privacy, you know, the akunama distraction, yabona. Nama legends, the way they carry themselves, yabona ukuthi top.
Yeah, definitely.
So shout out to Protea Hotels in fact. And more than anything, I like ukuthi like Amapagania, like who've been with us from day one. Like I think now they're starting to see eVision channel. Yeah, in a sense ukuthi we're trying to create a huge platform yangithola for amabhakaniya only yangithola. So at some point in fact there's no way that you are a bhakaniya, Mr. Mlambo, and you're not subscribed to what we put yangithola on television yangithola. I mean, this is beautiful thing. If you complain, Mr. Mlambo, you must just subscribe. If you bhakaniya, okay, I understand yangithola, if you are a fan here, you know, Kaizer Chiefs or Sundowns, yabona. But if now you're still that fan, but you turn the ball on them, and then you're going to subscribe to the channel, if you don't know. And it's free, if it, you know. That's what I like. You know, asking for money from anyone, you just click that subscribe button, and then me na stadium, but to experience, I mean. Obviously, it was a bit long, obviously. Isn't just confused, but I was rolling with Kabazela, I was rolling with Chomo. Shout out to them, even before he came, we did some pre-match interviews, hlanganisa amanye amabhakaniya, excited, happy about the game, namakhosi futhi, everyone was optimistic, but in Danga, like, you support amabhakaniya for that game. I don't know if you guys saw that on TV.
I could see.
It was overwhelming, Mr. Mlambo. Like, we outnumbered them, like, if it was far, like, to almost 70% the stadium.
Hey, you can even say more.
70% goes to fit. I'm a pagania pale of it. Amakhosi, like, they didn't have confidence. They didn't.
Next.
Keep. In danger.
Yeah.
And another thing as well, I don't know if you guys saw the Tifo Yaga Mufuking that you posted. In fact, that Tifo is beautiful in that. My veil around fit out of nowhere, as the center line in that. Tifo, like, this is the culture that we must. Young Joel, in Ilgumapagani, young Joel. Beautiful. And you could see Uti for a start, young Joel. And it's obviously everything with it, young Joel. Next season, young Joel, you want to do something huge, young Joel, in danger. And a real thing, which now more to a baby, I want to young Joel, this is levels, young Joel, in danger. And I think now, as a channel, we should encourage young Joel, if it's possible, contribute to such, young Joel, like, get in touch with those Centerland supporters and create something beautiful for Amapagani, young Joel. So stadium for to vibes, young Joel. Only disappointing thing was the result. Like, if they won that game, if they are like, yo. Young Joel. Bajabulele ukuthi bazivimbile, but nabo on they needed 3 points now.
They knew they won't get it.
Yeah. And I remember we said ukuthi Tavi tricky down, they tricky, don't be the same. I remember coach because I sakhuluma ngabo 7. This is Tavi. So he came here, Mr. Mlambo. How do you say it?
I think in Tangabasrafule from the first minute. I think my color, like, that boy has played derbies mara from our side, I think 5 times adla like it. I think kube weza ngale mentality derby usitshedile naleza on the first one mengekho, on this one we're going to play 30.
Sure.
I mean, I don't know why the ref didn't give that guy a red card or yellow card. The way he was playing. First minute of the game, Mushafule push Umbutu manda.
Sure.
You understand that was pretty much their game.
Sure.
I do not think, yes, Tina, we created chances which we could have scored, but like make us see it. You couldn't see Cocomelon doing things. The police, maybe spotlily. I got to ngokusmaka. They were playing date. You understand? Yes, we got chances which we could have scored, but I think bona yiba bajabuleka kakhulu njengoba usho nange results. They felt ngathi bawinile. Because I think McMillan nje sibabulala. McMillan nathi scorage esifane nabo.
Ghost.
Yeah, and I think Umlambo ibekile mfana, and just to add, I think no referee na was just poor on the day. There's no way no yellow cards in that game when tackles were flying all over from Kaizer Chiefs side.
Especially low.
For me, I think part of the result was determined by the referee on the day. didn't do justice.
Yeah, Abungile Tom, you understand?
Yeah.
It's important to mention his name, because let's be honest, this guy has been consistent.
Sure.
Sometimes we left ama bad games there and there. I think that game was a bad game for the referee had a bad game.
But against Chiefs and Pirates,
Against Chiefs and by Mr. Mlambo, it can happen.
the ghost.
It can happen.
We need, Ntanga, you can't give them that ghost. For a Soweto derby,
Yeah.
we need someone who's going to be fair. Yes, we're going to make mistakes. We understand. But not Ganji.
Yeah, that's why it was a bad performance.
Yes,
Yeah, we can't take away
For
with it
Chiefs
as a
and
bad
Pirates,
performance.
the league or whoever,
Yeah.
the standard must go high.
Yeah.
Because abanye abantu balala bangadlanga when it's Chiefs and Pirates.
No, Mr. Mlambo, if you are going to play derby, who's the referee that you're going to choose to officiate there? It's Abungile Tom, like he's head and shoulders above other referees. That's why I'm saying we know what is capable of. I think it was just a bad day in the office for me, So I won't crucify him too much, Although he gave me, okay, I understand because check and fit league, check the magnitude of the game. So it's a tab, that was bad from him, But for me, I look at it like, okay, it was just a bad day in the office, I offside there, I don't know if you guys had a chance to check a replay, but it was a clear onside.
That was an onside.
That was a clear coast. And now you can't really blame the referee there. It's his team, It's a linesman, in danger.
Yeah, I think Pina they are a team if it's
They're a team.
Yeah,
We blame all of them.
Sure. Yeah, but then we didn't get a replay for a TV. We just saw it once.
Sure.
Yeah, so I'm not sure why Bangas Kayang a replay. But from the first, when it played out, in fact, it looked like he was a clear onside.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why now I'm just saying I was frustrated with the referees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's frustrating from the referee. And then he came to we struggled a bit to break them down, But when you look at it, Chiefs didn't have opportunities now, I saw States they only had one shot on target, We were all over there, It was just that one bad mistake, And then I see sometimes when we're struggling to score, sometimes we are desperate,
Sure.
And that thing I'll always reference. Sometimes, man, you must just, calm down. And so I think I'm a player now, they have that thing with Sundowns, everything needs to be rushed. Because when you look at that game, Mr. Mlam, they were all over Kaizer Chiefs. They didn't create anything. They were disciplined, Mama Mark. That's why chances didn't come easy, but they came. Mutuma should have buried that one. That's really. Bella Mutuma buried that chance. In fact, we're talking a different story because those guys are forced to come out. Young John in danger.
Nisikhuluma ngayo no goals. Athukoze ufile ngathi uyibeke phambi kwa goalkeeper. I felt ngathi like that ball from Rile was a good ball, mfethu.
It was a good one.
Mutuma could have done better there.
Mutuma should just score.
Could have done better.
Yeah, at least if the ball is behind, you can say, okay, Mel. But if it's in front of you, bury that chance.
You see the goalkeeper is coming. Take another touch.
Yo.
There was no way he was gonna take a touch.
Why
It was
not?
too close, Ntwana.
Why not?
Okay, untanga makathinta ibhola nezandla zekeeper. How far were
To
they?
the side, dog. I need to.
Yeah,
now
to the
goalkeeper
side,
is coming
like
to you.
like
You take the ball to the side. Goalkeeper uyadlula.
Yeah.
Either it can be a penalty, Ntanga.
Yeah, it can
Goalkeeper
even be a
will have
penalty.
it. Take
Sure.
the ball to the side.
Sure.
That's what I always say. Mouse boxing is selling a man. That's why you see Amatima winner. Their teams, when they are in the box, they are composed.
Sure.
You understand? Then the only way to score there, megangeka kore ngokuchipha ibhola because Uban Peterson is coming.
Sure.
Take the ball to the side, you can get a penalty or you can get a free pole zavulekile nje for you to score.
Yeah. Now, I felt like you should have buried that chance. And then I think another thing, Les Pulalile on that game is there's that injury because Moremi is dangerous. Always that guy is dangerous. He'll come up with something. So when he comes out, Maswangani, okay, you tried now, young told him, but I don't think it was really his game, young told. You see, what he press, young told, Umoya, hard work, he's always going to give you that, young told.
Sure.
And then this guy, in fact, to Mr. Mlambo, I don't know how you feel about this, in Tanga. He keeps on subbing our police, in fact. When we need a call, young told.
Sure.
That sub, yaga police, in fact. That's a bad sub, in fact.
Konje ufake ayisuhoto
I say, uhato pambi, young told, afagunda, but like, in fact, like I was. If it like if it coast in fact, you know, I was looking at the Mamelodi Sundowns when they're playing. Mr. Mlambo, you see their formation coast in fact. Those guys in fact, that's an intent right there.
They
First
understand.
11, young John in danger. They put two strikers, the Shadulide and Renias, young John in danger. They put Allen, they put Tambazwani, they put everything. You can see those guys is ultra attack, young John.
Sure.
Our coach, in fact, we need 3 points. Uzenza like for like. Or I keep it defend. I keep it forward, I forget defend.
Right.
Like, what is that? How is that going to help us? Young John, why don't you talk?
Put
Because you
Komoda,
can see,
Komoda.
hey, you can see, Uchi, these guys are just defending. Keep our space in daughter. Faga udiding. Who do you wanna put in? Faga undava and then to go forward no police, young John. Like for like,
Mina
like
I think
for
indaba
like,
was
like
not
for like.
supposed indaba
Young
it was
John.
unnecessary ukuthi undaba angene la.
Sure.
Asifake isenza umuntu odlala phambili. Angeke sikhona ukhipha police. Yes, he was not having a good game. Take nothing away. But keep him there.
Keep him there.
Keep him mfethu I forward then ufaka I defender then usuhotho phambili uhotho ugcineni nokudlala phambili. It's better if uhotho ubambi line.
Sure.
Ntanga.
Spade Coast. I don't know what you think about that sub Coast.
Yeah, Lena, I wasn't agreeing with that sub on Fetu. I get what he was trying to try, but for me, Fetu, Hoto was not going forward enough on the day. Sure. And so I don't understand. Like he went forward and we got a goal in that moment. Though, and so for me, I felt like him Fetu, like if he feels like Hoto is not giving him what he wants, take out Hoto and put that in there if that's what you want to do. Or until our but for me, the Liverpool police, in fact, for me, and I will keep saying it, the police and relay play 90 minutes.
Play 90 minutes.
We can't say we are saving them for careful. We have a semi-final or we have a final at Nedbank. We are playing for the league now.
Yeah.
We must go with our best players all the time. In fact, and relay and police have a goal in them. Give them 90 minutes. Yeah.
Simple as that, in fact. Young so the coach does that. We're gonna take it to the last day. Which is also Tauban will say on the last day. And so, but if he keeps on serving more police when he need a goal, let's be honest, in fact, our police really, they are your best 2 players. I mean, they want to cheat in that. Sure. Even though he's having a bad game,
Sure.
he can take in 3-4 players and score a kill at our top corner. So you wanna put Otto there, Pambi,
Sure.
Otto is not a superstar, He doesn't have that individual brilliance that he can come up with.
Sure.
So, now you coach now and I don't know if it. And then we saw it. We saw Mamelodi Polokwane City versus Mamelodi Sundowns. When were they playing? Was it Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Yeah. Thoughts on that game?
Mengiminye. Oh, mapagania yo mengiminye.
Yeah.
I do not wanna lie. Ndipulukwane mfethu team engasipha lento le. Angali manje sengibheke laba beChiefs. Singababoleka nama player ay5. Angifuni ukutshela manga. But ipulukwane mfethu nayo could have given Sundowns at least nayo ama problem. If first half I didn't watch it, I won't lie. But second half I saw ngathi ipulukwane had some few chances mfethu.
Yeah,
which they could have scored.
Yeah.
Yangithola badlanga then umthiba wakora.
Yeah. I don't know, Coast.
Yeah, I feel like the Polokwane first half they could have done something. Basaile, they got a few chances. Even early in the second half, it's about to consider goal. I just switched it off. I'll never was a
I should thought I didn't know it's in Kenya. I think Champions League was playing.
Yeah.
And I was like, Now, for to, I'll give that guy Carlos. I'll give him credit. So like you know when a team or when a coach, so like sees what we need to win by all costs. So like that guy, we put on each gem. You know who was on the wing? It was Mudi was this side, and then it was Mudau on the other side. So those guys were ranking without any disturbance. Yonke le cream na ngifake la. Yonke le cream yangithola into enjani. Like what's difficult for us to do that? Do we have na yonke le cream mfethu. Let's put it there yangithola. Like for like yangithola.
Yeah.
I mean, if you keep on doing this, at some point you wanna drop foot, those guys they're going for a kill, Once they scored that goal, Nami was like hopeless, although Ghost said like Polokwane can actually catch these guys, You could see now what their chance away, to break this Mamelodi Sundowns team, But because Sundowns are pampering their goal, sooner or later it's gonna happen, And it happened. And I don't know the second game. I don't know I don't think they're gonna take anything.
Nah, they want West they going into a bigger stadium.
Sunday.
Kusasa,
I think badlala kusasa. Loftus.
Yeah.
Sure. Kusasa ingaki? E3.
Yeah, E3.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I want us to check it. I want us to check Iran from now. Obviously, it's 4 games each.
Sure.
Yeah, I want to know how you guys feel about this. On the 4 remaining games is Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sure.
So the next game, Mamelodi Sundowns is Polokwane City, position 6. And then our next game is Stellenbosch. They're on position 10. And then their second game, it's Kaizer Chiefs. They're on 3rd position. In our second game, it's against Makesi. They're on 14th position. So according to these 2 games that we're going to play, they're playing 6 and 3. We're playing 10 and 14. One would say it's a slightly better run for us. A run of games. Their 3rd game, they're playing against Siwelele at home. Siwelele is on position 9. And then Pirates, they're playing against Durban City. Durban City is on position 7. Their 4th game, they're playing against TS Galaxy. They're on position 12. Our 4th game, we're playing against Obit. Obit is on position 16. And I'm assuming the time we're playing them, I think they'll be relegated already.
Sure.
So when you look at the run of games, and then, okay, let's check home and away. So Sundowns has 3 home games. It's Polokwane home, Kaizer Chiefs, it's home, but against Kaizer Chiefs, it's not really home. So I think Chiefs will have more supporters. Considering with some Pagania, they'll go there supporting Kaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
So you can say home, away, and then us is away, home, away. So I don't know how you guys see this running, but according to this, we have a slightly better run in a sense. We playing against number 10, 14, 7, 16, 1 other 3, 6, 9, 12.
Sure.
So according to this, Mr. Mnamo, it looks like we might snatch it.
Yeah, true, Ntanga, but like mina the game ngiyibhekile kakhulu and ethusayo. I do not want to lie to you. Still they are contenders, Ntanga. Noma banga contendeli league. They always give you competition, especially when they play against the big boys. Phela ungakhohlwa their coach is Kevin Hunt, and Kevin Hunt uthanda uku-accept uku-upset abantu like nabo usakhumbula abadrawini.
Yeah.
So nathi nje
We almost lost, yeah.
Nathi nje mfethu coach wethu ufanele ayenze izinto ezi-right ka.
Yeah.
You can't afford to drop points there because laba sebashiya nga 2 points. And bona what's nice, iPolokwane can mina like I'm still rooting for them. Kaizer Chiefs, I'm still rooting for them. That game yabo yini?
That game was
Iswelele, even Swelele is strong. Qeda ukudla iChiefs ngazi kudala.
Yeah.
And then nathi hlala isiguy problem.
Yeah.
ungakhohlwa. Then there is TS Galaxy, and the TS
TS
Galaxy nayo ihlala iwashaya impethu ngiminyile maphakani. I do not wanna lie, but like on paper ntanga yithi like isne better chance, but you know how Sundowns are. I can't count them out yangithola, but what's nice ukuthi babhekane nane CAF, so bona their stress abanaso it's more than us.
Yeah.
Till at least the stress which we have, it's just a league.
A league,
Our
yeah.
coach should just be composed in Tanga. Since isn't this right? We've been doing right things for the whole season. Why made us cut out manje masayifika? If it's we have to get this league. Angazi kanjani, but maybe vele.
For me, and you know, I feel like if we win these 4 games, you wanna take this league, you know, and I don't wanna lie. You know, considering again, you have a better goal difference. Sure. I think if it's Renivar, so really can give these guys problems.
Sure.
Chiefs is number 3. That's the 3rd best team in our league. Now, much as they put any show against us, they must go and play karate there. So, so in the Nandu team, I don't know much. And let's say we hell like game. Shy le keeper leza maze plus work I atmosphere.
Ngeke ayilahla. Ubukele TV.
Super support the TV.
Singakubuka stadium.
Hayi mina. Hayi mina.
Never goes.
Yabona
njengoba you are if Chiefs ayakatshwara Sundowns, DK it's ours.
That's a big if.
But if you don't give them support, how do you think they go into that?
I do not want to be that Pagani.
Those guys have enough support, man.
They have enough support.
They must go do their thing, fit.
Angali ngithi ngiyaba hayi kodwa hayi nami da ghost hayi.
Ngeke.
Our blood is black and white.
It's in my phone. So support. They're not looking at the bigger picture. Eh?
The bigger picture they have support us. Yabo noma sikhona noma singekho. Labantu bazoba sorted.
Yeah. Exactly my point.
Yeah. That's running in Dangamina. I like I full believe in it.
Sure.
If we handle our business, let's forget about if we handle our business.
Sure.
We taking this league. I won't lie to you, Mr. Mlam.
I
know Stellenbosch is gonna give us problems. But I think you can overcome Stellenbosch. You can overcome Makesi, Devon City, Obi, we can easily win these 4 games.
Seyishintshile sakhumbula mina ngithi I only care about us.
Yeah.
I don't care about Sundowns.
Sure.
Yeah, he only cares about us now. Mina now I do care about ukuthi Sundowns idlala kanjani. Each and every game abayidlalayo labantu.
When I look at the fixtures, Mr.
Mina ngiyaminya ghost manje.
Nami ngiyaminya ngithola uviyasi mfethu niye kuhlala ungaminya ngithola, but mina my emphasis is if we handle our business. I know Sundowns they won't win. These are difficult games. They want to get a draw somewhere. And a draw is enough for us to take the title if we handle our business.
I mean, I hope so.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Yeah, and Donna, the running, what do you think of this running at Sundowns and Pirates?
I don't even know what to say. I gave one right here, Donna, because like Donna, I said that here, we can't afford for Sundowns to drop points and then we drop points again.
Yeah.
And then Sundowns drop points. We do exactly that. We go and we drop points. So even now I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, we're gonna say the remaining games. Since there's 9 games in there's no room. There's 9 cup finals.
Sure.
And then we drop silly points. We drop points against Chiefs. So right now I feel like for me, we umthandazo wabathakathi manje. It's too much. It's too much. So yabo so suggest izinto ezisnacks manje so support the Chiefs, stoki cheese keepers the Chiefs. Yabo. Yeah, Kenya right here. We should have done the job a long time ago, fit.
Sure.
So now the boys know what they have to do. They must just go there and win those games. And then we'll hope for the best. Or one of those teams will upset Sundowns.
Yeah.
Of which actually I'm not really hopeful. In fact,
I'm hoping now.
Yeah, I Ghost gotta give up Mr.
And I'm hoping in Tangut Sundowns indaba ntanga like yabona like ugosi uthi after the game yethu
Yeah.
ne Sundowns uthi kube swinile ntanga mekuzoyenzakalani yangithola which is here the point
Exactly.
kube swinile against Chiefs kube sikhuluma a different story
Yeah.
manje now we have to hope ukuthi Sundowns izodliwa ntanga
Yeah.
which you know ukuthi these guys mase iseduzane kanje they've been doing it kanje mina I'm only hoping now angeke ngithi ngisho iChiefs izobabamba njengasekuqaleni
Yeah.
nama
Yeah, I'm hoping. Hey, I'm Pagania studio. Hey, I want to be depressed now. But Pagania, I mean, I have hope.
Yes.
We're going to take this league.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
Sundowns is going to drop points. And then for two, man, Coast, we can't cry over spilled milk in the
Yeah.
sharp
Those games in for two. You know what we should appreciate, dude? We drop and Sundown drops and then you still have a chance. Young Zol in danger. It's not a situation whereby even if Sundowns loses, we can win and they're still on top. Young Zol.
Sure.
As long as me now for two, if we can just take it to the last day and then you see, you failed to win it, young Zol.
Wow.
It's Izami, young Zol.
Yeah.
But in for two now, for two, I mean 2 points. 2 points to the Paracol difference.
Sure.
It's just one bad game. It can happen. Young Zol in the
Yeah.
it can happen. Young Zol in danger.
Yeah.
So I mean, I have full belief in it. If we take care of our business, we
Yes.
take in this league.
Yes.
There is no way, Mr. Mla.
Yes,
I'm telling you, there's no way.
Mapagania vuka
Young Zol
goals.
in danger.
Yeah,
I was
Mopagania.
speaking with the
Siyayithatha i-TDC mina ngilapha. Siyayithatha i-TDC Mopagania. TDC.
this is ours. Don't be obvious, Coach. Somebody just obvious. This is the difficult one. We need your support here.
Yeah.
Give us that energy here.
Yeah.
Did
The
you see
support
the
is there.
stand?
The support is there. I'm
And,
crying already. We supporting and we are believing, and then these guys go and drop like a performance that we don't need. In fact,
No, but in that wasn't a bad performance, Ghost. Let's be honest.
Mama
That
say-
goal that Kaizer Chiefs won on top. It was an individual error where Masindi tackled Umbata. Young Tol.
What did
And
we
then
talk
they
about?
scored. Young Tol in danger.
Yeah.
Let's be honest, in fact. It was an individual error. Young Tol, it can happen. Chiefs had that one chance, they scored. Young
That's
Tol.
football.
We
in
don't-
fact.
but
That's football.
Yeah.
Coach. So when I only depressed or we dropped points against Kaizer Chiefs, like we had a bad performance and then we dropped points. We didn't have a bad performance.
No. What I'm saying, Kurindonane, with our quality, with our squad, with everything we have, we must beat Chiefs anything. One total
Hallelujah.
kidding as well.
And
And
get happy, and
man.
then
abondlovu mpethu sibavumele basenze so goals
exactly, ezinye izinto mfethu, like we must be able to overcome.
Mr. Mlamusho kanjani mothi?
So mazala
must
nabantu
be
abadlala
able-
ikarati the whole
must be able
season,
to
and then
karate
we must not
so
win
inside.
anything.
Yes.
So senzeni siwakava
We
na.
must be good
That's
than
not our
them.
ball.
Bangazitholi.
Fire.
Move the ball
Fire.
fast.
No, we moved in Dwana.
we were
not-
It just didn't happen on the day.
If I what I say,
mfethu.
but Baba can say the Cox or can say the Cox. In fact,
No,
what I
it's
complain
Cox,
about Baslava.
mfethu.
Baslava.
Asibahlabi.
I want to.
They're playing
That-
No,
that's-
they're
that's
So
not our
if
team.
you're gonna
That's not our
sulk on
team.
Baslava, okay, let's not play
He's a coach.
Baslava.
Now I'm saying let's play our game.
He's a-
Referee will take care of that.
He's
So
a
now
coach.
the game.
That's
What
not-
if
that's
you narara and then we get a red card?
That's what I'm saying. Oro ska complain about Baslava if Lorona Baslava. I can referee at the judge Kyo
And
Ramona.
also
Referee is
we
not
want to win the league.
he's not booking anyone for these fouls. In
I
fact,
get you want to win the
One,
league.
two.
Hey, what if we're
They're
not?
playing that.
Yeah.
Let's play nathi we can play that. Nathi we have about cash abangabahlaba mfethu.
Sure.
Angithi uNdlovu mfethu started playing bad minutes isaqala. Why nathi singamzwisanga cause idabi andikejali used to do.
And that's sometimes how you change the referee's trajectory
Yes,
of the
ukuthi
game.
nathi, if
Uthi
siyabahlaba.
asizoyimela la iding
Nathi siyakhona ukuyimela le.
Yeah, samhlaba uyasilaba nayo uyangithola.
I mean, I don't believe.
Mfethu you want to win.
Yeah.
Ithi
Hey,
kubonisa some
we want to win, Mr. Mlambo. Let's play smart. Young Tol in danger.
Okay, sharp,
Let's
sharp.
show referee I want good basenza. Young Tol in danger.
Sizame kangakanani
Yeah,
kule
Young
game
Tol.
ukubabonisa
Put them on
ntanga
body.
bangaboni.
Young Tol, eh?
Sizame kangakanani kule
Uthi
game
yena
ukubabonisa
uthi mabalibele
ukubabonisa.
baskapa
That's
ama-chance
why,
alibele
that's
ayathula
why.
yava.
Ayathula.
yava.
Mfethu,
They were not.
that's a dabi. Nayo yabona
You know,
behlakule.
mfethu, yabona ezimnandi Mr. Mlambo uzokutshela maqeda ukuhlaba ukuthi hayi come uyangithola igribule futhi uyangithola
Mamela,
into igribule futhi uyangithola
Yeah, but
Hayi,
you're
man,
talking about someone different. That's
again.
not someone who's complaining ukuthi bayasilaba.
Let's complain but
Yeah.
thina into esiyishoyo ukuthi they are playing data ngithi nathi hayi ukuthi we can't play data ghost
Yeah.
sidlala phansi but we couldn't kulela game Fethu, you want to win the league. If you want to win the league, azoba khona ama-game aso Ghost. Nawe baba mele uGurash urile bamphushe kangaki.
Yeah.
Baba bo cash mfethu.
So
Why angamzwisi lo Ndlovu lo ukuthi nathi sayikhona ukuyenza lento le.
Abopepe bakayenza la Real Madrid mfethu. Abosecho Ramos, you see them mfethu. Akunakuthi uzokhaba iplayer yethu and then we let you go free mfethu.
And then you want to win the league.
Exactly. Mele uyifile right there mfethu.
yeah, so Ukis calling. Maybe what that better.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I hear you, gentlemen. I hear you. But nah, that's not right. That's not the game that I want us to play. You must play carpet football. Leave the rest to the referee, young John.
Yeah, but if the referee is not there, young John, the referee is not helping us. We must help ourselves as well.
Yeah. This league is going to take, Mr. Mlam. I'm telling you.
That's
And then, the upcoming game, Mr. Mlambo, it's against Steelers. You've been crying, Steelers. Hey, Steelers, Kevin and young John. Maybe we should go to Coast because really well. Next game, Coast, Stellenbosch versus Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, ish. Yeah, well, man, from the back of that performance and going away, one to one, my confidence is not where I wanted it to be.
Yeah.
But yeah, ish, I don't know if it individual brilliance there really. A police, you must try something for us because Kevin Anthem Fetu is not gonna be an easy game. We're not gonna come out there and complain that never pakile pass and whatnot. So like, for me, we should be anticipating all those things. So Kevin Anthem if it is gonna sit back, and then he's gonna have one or two guys what are catching on the counter. So not expecting us to have an easy game. But yeah, I'll still put my hopes on the boys, or they'll come back with the victory.
Yeah, it's a tricky game. I agree with Mr. Mlam. Tricky but winnable game. I know we're going to have a lot of chances. Where I'm worried about, because knowing Kevin and his route one, set pieces, dark arts, you must be very careful on set pieces. I think Coach Mfetu must try and work out a strategy where we need to block these guys from, playing in and around Sipo chain, more especially on corners. Free kicks as well, you must be defensively disciplined. We can't afford to concede a set piece goal. Like general play, I don't think they're going to match us. And no Kevin, and I think he knows. And even he said it even against Mamelodi Sundowns. We know Sundowns is gonna have the ball. They have all the quality. But it doesn't bother us when they have the ball. I will just sit there and watch them. Because they're desperate. They have to win this game. If they don't win, they might slip up on the title race. I think it's going to apply the same method. In the sense, they're going to sit deep.
Yeah.
Coach, be creative. These guys, they want to take much. Put offensive players there. Put in our master chef going to create. That's what you see. Mamelodi Sundowns is doing it, Mr. Mlam. The more quality you put there, the more chances you have. These guys, they're going to hit us. Come set piece. Work on set pieces. General play. Put in your chair. That's how the coach wins the game.
Last 10 games in Tang. Ngazokuphahlazela iwindow ntanga bathi bavalile. Those things mfethu yinto esishoda ngayo. I'm not saying the players which are playing are not good enough. They are good. But like that creativity sometimes comes from Relay, sometimes comes from our police. But people or the other teams, sebayifundile. Sebayazi ukuthi okay, if siyavala la phakathi, Relay and police, they won't have space.
Sure.
We're gonna give them the line. They're not good in scoring ngama crosses.
Sure.
Coach sekumele asho ukuthi okay, this is not happening. I have Shenko, someone who can look there, pass there. We're gonna get a goal. Let me put on Bule. Yes, I love Masinde. Masinde has been putting in the work, but I don't think him begging ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Mina ntanga like take nothing away from Masinde, but like yabona lento nanisho ukuthi creative wise akekho. Dead. We don't need him now. Not that he's not good enough, but for these games, like I said, I wouldn't put on Masinde. because I know ukuthi going forward ayikho into akazongenzela yona.
Sure.
So umbeke ngaphandle. Get someone who's gonna get you a goal like Talent Mbatha from far, who's gonna give you a pass and bully. And Cash naye ngam-relaxis.
Yeah.
We need people who are going to give us goals.
You need people who are going to give us creativity. It's like to like our good, like predictable, Mr. Mlam. Young Tola, sometimes when you just young Tola try something, young Tola. Cause check this Caruso guy. This Caruso guy, Mshishi, he's been playing all season, young Tola. Renias, he's been putting Renias on the bench, young Tola. Shaluli and I in and out, young Tola. On that game. He throws them, everyone in. Let's play. Young Zol in doing.
Sure.
Why can't you do that? You've been saying you have the squad, you have the squad, you have the squad. It's time to use the squad. In fact, Young Zol.
Sure.
Put in offensive players. Podala, we know. Okay, defensive him now, Young Zol. But he won't give us much.
Put in Chabatsan.
Put in Chabatsan, in fact, Young Zol. Put in Chabatsan. You know who's going to play through balls.
Long balls.
Young Zol, pull passes the win. But Tina. Predictable. Young Toy. He reminds me of Ateta, this guy. I'm frustrated now. Young Toy. It's the same thing now, Young Toy.
He can't be that bad.
Predictable.
Can be what?
Can't be that bad, yeah.
It's not bad.
And what has the trophy not?
That's right. Number one on the EPL.
No trophies.
Throw away to Atletico. Semi-final Champions League.
Kuluma off.
It's gonna end in tears.
But my point is, coach, like just try. Try. You know, sometimes Mr. Mlambo, you can lose a game, maybe against Steelers. But you say, we tried, we gave it our all. We can't complain about anything.
Sure.
So that's what I'm looking at.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking at. I don't know if you guys have anything more to add.
Mina ngithi aswineni.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I need. We need results.
Yeah. As we need a coast.
Yeah, definitely. In fact, as we need, in fact, as Trinise in midfield, I see any bafana.
Yeah. Our lock coast. How are we looking there?
Our lock Mateo sahleli njengoba benjalo. The only thing that changes, Buffett, we just going to 33 matches played, but everything else remains the same because the results was a draw, and Sonke was predicted to Paganyali win.
Yeah.
So yeah, still Mqeqeshi sayibambe emtshileni, looking at 2 points so far, also leading at 2 points, Buffett, akekho kude no ghost, sampegile.
And then jumping on the Stellenbosch versus Orlando Pirates prediction, I'm saying it's 1 Stellenbosch, 2 Orlando Pirates.
Nangomunye. Abafethi icide nini kwash? 1-0 Pirates.
1-0 Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
2-0.
2-0.
Yeah.
That gives us them Lambo. We've come at the end of the show, Pagania. Once more, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Press there.
Asikayivala bafethu upa mapagania
Bupa.
bupa.